What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be talking about how to start affiliate marketing with absolutely no money. Okay, so there is no excuses for you guys to not get started with affiliate marketing. It requires absolutely no costs at all. Okay, so I'm going to show you several different methods on how you can get started today, guys. Okay, so be sure to take notes and be sure to apply what you learn in this video so you can get real results. Okay, knowledge is good, but it's not until you apply this knowledge where you're actually going to see real results for your affiliate marketing business. Okay, so without further ado, let's just jump right into this video, and we are going to be first discussing uh, the YouTube method. Okay, this method requires you to create a channel and to review several different products in whatever niche you pick. Okay, so this is something that you're going to be passionate about, something that you actually want to create content about. Okay, so it does require effort, and you want to be able to talk about something that you really enjoy doing, or a hobby that you might have. And yeah, that's how basically you build up your channel, and you review a product, and you make commissions by promoting a product. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you examples of all these methods, and let's start with the YouTube method first. Okay, so this is a video on electric skateboards. Okay, electric skateboards are very popular this year and last year. Okay, vloggers like Casey Neistat got them very big, and so there's a lot of people interested in purchasing one of these electric skateboards. Okay, and with this video, basically they take B-roll. Okay, so it's just video, and they put it together in a small clips, and they end up reviewing the electric skateboards. Okay, so it's basically just a voiceover. Okay, you can literally get a microphone, and you don't even have to show your face, and you find clips online of certain people that are actually using the product, and therefore you can create your video, and you basically just talk about the skateboard or whatever product you're promoting. As you can see with this video, it has over 200,000 views, so that's a lot of eyeballs coming to this video, and that gives you a chance to convert that traffic into paying customers. And as you can see, this is where you're going to put your affiliate links in the description of the video, of course. And as you can see, these are Amazon affiliate links. Okay, so if I click on this link, it's going to take me to Amazon where I can purchase this product, and unfortunately it's not available, but if I ended up purchasing the guy owning this channel, he gets a commission. Okay, and electric skateboards are not cheap. Okay guys, so he will definitely get a pretty large commission if I end up purchasing that product, or if I purchase anything within 24 hours. Okay guys, so this is an example here. You can probably check out this channel and probably get some ideas, but that's how you do affiliate marketing on YouTube for free. Okay, so the next method here is using Quora. Okay, this is something that I talked about in my previous video, and I mentioned how Quora is a free traffic method. It's untapped. Not many people know that this is a platform where you can promote affiliate products. Okay, so if you come over here, I have an example here, and someone's asking, what is the best green drink powder on the market? Okay, so basically you find questions that you can answer. Okay, you have some knowledge about, or it's in your niche, or you're promoting a product in that niche, and you come here and you answer the question in the best possible way. Okay, um, I would actually add more to this. Okay, I would probably add images and video, and I would make it a longer answer. But in this case, this person is promoting a product here, as you can see, on Amazon, and this is a green drink powder, I think. And so whoever clicks on this link and promotes, I'm sorry, if they purchase, this person will get the commission, okay? But like I mentioned, this kind of looks a little spammy, in my opinion. I would actually try to write a little bit more and add more video and more text and break down the wording here so it's not just in a huge paragraph. You want to make it easy for someone to find this and to read it, and we want to be promoting products that we believe in, okay, and that actually are going to help someone, okay? So in this case, this is just a quick example here of how to do affiliate marketing on Quora. Okay, this is absolutely free. Just going to take some time to answer that question and to, provide value. The next method here we have starting a Facebook page. Okay, this is one of my favorites that I currently actually do. You can literally do this with any niche. Okay, there's hundreds of thousands of affiliate products that you can promote using a Facebook page. And what I love about a Facebook page is the reach that you're going to get on Facebook. Okay, the organic, and you can also mix in paid traffic. Okay, when you post on Facebook, there are hundreds of thousands of people that are interested in what you have to say, okay? And if you can create an engaging Facebook page, you're going to build a lot of followers up, and that's going to give you a chance to promote products on your page once it's built up, okay? And so let me show you an example here. This is an example of a shed Facebook page, okay? And this has over 100,000 followers, okay, guys? This is just crazy, the engagement that they have on this page as well, okay? They pretty much post a few times a day, and how the strategy with this Facebook page is you're not just posting your link on each post, okay? You want to have a little bit of an engagement. You just want to share something that you're really passionate about, which is in this case sheds, okay? Building wooden sheds. Um, but as you can see with this post, it's just asking for engagement. Okay, it's building up a little community in your Facebook page. Okay, and that's how you build a following on Facebook. Okay, if we keep going down here, okay, it's asking questions, you know, and people are engaging. Okay, if you're in this niche and you enjoy building houses, people are going to want to talk about this in these Facebook pages. Okay, so it's a great way to create a small community inside a Facebook page, but you can also then promote your affiliate links. Okay, and in this page, I'm sure that this link, yeah, this is a ClickBank product. Okay, so he's actually promoting a ClickBank product on sheds. Okay, and you can find that by going over here to ClickBank and going over here to the niches and finding a product that you're passionate about, okay, that you want to talk about, and that's how you build up a page in a certain hobby or a certain niche, and that way you can make some affiliate commissions. Okay, so here we have another example of a Facebook page. Hopefully you learned something from the last one. This was a little different. They're actually promoting Amazon products. Okay, so not with every post, but they are sharing some articles and educating people. This is a home and survival page. Okay, this is also a very large page. It has over 2 million followers, guys. So you can see the power of Facebook right here. Okay, there's millions of people on Facebook, and that is your audience. Okay, you basically already have your audience there. All you got to do is just build up a page, build up a small following, and you're going to be able to promote your affiliate links out there. Very simple, okay, guys? So I'm sure that, yeah, of course, this is an affiliate link here, and it's promoting a product that people are somewhat interested. Okay, as you can see, this has over 2,000 likes. So this is a crazy page here, and this is just the power of Facebook marketing and affiliate marketing. Okay, guys, and I think they do have a blog. Okay, let me check. Okay, so yeah, they do have a blog here. And again, once you build up the Facebook page, you can move on to other platforms like a website, and that's going to give you a chance to monetize again. Okay, guys? So, yeah, guys, this is basically how you do affiliate marketing on a Facebook page. Okay guys, so we are here on the last method I'm going to share with you guys today, and that is creating a Facebook group. Okay, a Facebook group is free. Okay, there's no cost at all. It's just going to take some time and effort to build it up. It's similar to a Facebook page. You're going to come over here to Facebook, and you're going to drop down, and you're going to just create a group here. It's very simple. Again, you want to create a group that is in a niche you want to promote, a niche that you enjoy talking about. You know, it can be anything, guys. You can get topic ideas through ClickBank and, you know, just doing some research on your own. But in this case, I'm going to show you an example here, a digital marketing example. Okay, so this is like internet marketing niche. Okay, this is J.R. Rivas. I actually follow him, and I'm in his group, and this is how he promotes his affiliate course, actually his academy, and his academy has affiliate links in them. Okay, that's how he makes some of his money. But this is how you can promote using a Facebook group. Okay, you basically pin your a post to the top of the page of the group. I'm sorry, and every new member, or every time I come here, I'm going to be able to see this. Okay, and you know, this video here, if you can combine it with a video, that's even more powerful. He combines it with the video, and he talks about what is allowed in the Facebook group. So it's similar to like the rules, but he also plugs in his academy. Okay, and that gives him the opportunity to promote his academy, but then also to make money through the affiliate link. So if I log in here, this is the link it takes me. If I click on this, let me just sign in here really quickly. Okay guys, and as you can see here, this is the academy, and he basically goes over how to do internet marketing. He goes over sales funnels. He goes over how to do affiliate marketing. He goes over ClickFunnels. And if we click on these, okay, here it is actually on the first video here. Okay, he's talking about the academy and what he does. And here we already have a 14-day trial for ClickFunnels, which is a software for sales funnel, and it's a tool that all internet marketers need, you know, to start their online business. Okay, so this is how he is promoting ClickFunnels, and then he has a live funnel build out. Okay, so he's building up a sales funnel from scratch. He's showing you step by step, and here we go again. He's also promoting ClickFunnels again, so that's basically his main product that he's promoting, which is ClickFunnels, and it's a really good software. But essentially, that is how you promote using a Facebook group. Okay, he has a large following here. I think he has 10,000 members here, and it's pretty large. And you can just imagine if like 1 or 2% convert into ClickFunnels subscribers, or if they continue, you know, using ClickFunnels, you're going to be getting commissions every single month because it's a reoccurring software. Okay, and you know, software is powerful because, you know, it's a reoccurring source of income for you guys. Okay, so I know this is a long video, but hopefully you learned something. Hopefully you can apply something that you learned in this video to your own affiliate marketing. But other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. That is how you do affiliate marketing with absolutely no cost. Okay, so hope you liked this video. Go ahead and like this video if you did, and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Alright, I will see you guys in the next video.